How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text to a surface in Fusion 360. Now, I have this surface right here and we are going to use this as an example. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to create yourself a sketch and then you want to select a plane. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting this surface. Right after that, click on the create function and then there will be the text option right here. So just click on OK. And then you want to draw a text box onto that specific surface. And basically right after, you can just put whatever you want to. In my case, I'm going to be putting something like guide right here. And then you have to customize the height, the font, the typeface, etc. But basically in my case, I'm fine with this one. And basically when typing out your text, you just have to make sure that you have this text expression to make sure that it works perfectly. And then you could continue typing. For example, let's go ahead and type our channel name, which is Guide to Everything. Click on OK, and then that's basically it. If you click on Finish Sketch, and then click on Extrude, basically we can extrude our text the way we want to. Or you could maybe cut onto the model itself if you needed. So if you click on OK, it will then cut onto our model. And that's how easy it is to do. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.